They come with no warning, kind of like an alarm clock. And they completely change your world. I always knew something was missing, I just didn't know what it was. Then it happened. This year, something changed. Imagine your world changing overnight. All because I started believing in myself. I noticed things were changing, and I grew with the change. I got to meet some of the most interesting, creative, loving people. Patrick!
Yo, what's good, man? Bro, I just saw your edit for the contest. You get the results yet?
Bro, I didn't even place.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it kinda sucks, but I'm working on something new.
Yo, tell me it's a new video.
No, actually, new painting.
Really thought you had that one, but truth is the only loser is the one who doesn't try. At the end of the day, practice makes perfect.
I didn't go to Dubai. Didn't really make that much money, but I had a lot of fun. '21 was the year I woke up.